Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last class, we have studied sequence and limit of a sequence, and we have solved some examples by using the definition of limit of a sequence. Now let me solve some more examples by using limit of a sequence. Example, verify the limit of a sequence 3n minus 4 divided by 5n plus 7 as n tends to infinity tends to 3 by 5. This is sequence un, this in limit L. Now choose an epsilon. Epsilon equals 1 by 10. Limit of sequence un tends to L nothing but modulus of un minus L less than epsilon. Here un is 3n minus 4 divided by 5n plus 7 minus L is 3 by 5 less than epsilon 1 by 10 for all n greater than or equals n. Now take the LCM is 5 into 5n plus 7 cross multiplication. 3n into 5 15n minus 4 into 5 minus 20 minus 3 into 5n minus 15n minus 3 into 7 minus 21 less than 1 by 10. 15n minus 15n get cancelled. Minus 20 minus 2 minus modulus of here 21 minus 20 minus 21 is minus 41 divided by 5n plus 7 into 5 less than 1 by 10. Here modulus of minus 41 is 41 divided by 5n plus 7 into 5 less than 1 by 10 for all n greater than or equals n. 41 into 10 410 less than 5 into 5n 25n 7 into 5 35. Take n terms one side 25n 410 minus 35 is 375 less than 25n, or this 25n greater than 375 divided by 25 on both sides, n greater than 375 by 25, that is n greater than 15 for all n greater than or equals n, or n is greater than or equals 16. This inequality holds for all integers greater than or equals 16. Therefore, n equals 16. Hence, corresponding to the epsilon 1 by 10, we have found a positive integer 16 such that modulus of 3n minus 4 divided by 5n plus 7 minus 3 by 5 is less than 1 by 10 for all n greater than or equals 16. Therefore, limit of 3n minus 4 divided by 5n plus 7 as n tends to infinity equals 3 by 5. Next example, show that limit of 2n plus 3 divided by 3n plus 4 as n tends to infinity equals 2 by 3 by using definition of the limit of the sequence. Let epsilon greater than 0 be a given real number, however small. Consider 2n plus 3 divided by 3n plus 4 minus 2 by 3 less than epsilon. Next LCM is 3n plus 4 into 3, 3 into 2n 6n, 3 into 3 9 minus 2 into 3n 6n minus 2 into 4 8, denominator as it is less than epsilon. 6n minus 6n cancel, 9 minus 8 is 1 divided by 3 into 3n plus 4 less than epsilon. 1 by 3n plus 4 less than 3 into epsilon 3 epsilon, or 1 divided by 3 epsilon less than 3n plus 4, or 3n plus 4, this is greater than this quantity, 3n plus 4 greater than 1 by 3 epsilon, 3n greater than 1 by 3 epsilon minus 4. This implies 3n greater than LCM 3 epsilon 1 minus 3 into 4 12 epsilon, that is n divided by 3 on both sides, n greater than 1 minus 12 epsilon by 3 into 3 9 epsilon. Let m be the nearest positive integer smaller than 1 minus 12 epsilon by 9 epsilon. Then modulus of 2n plus 3 divided by 3n plus 4 minus 2 by 3 less than epsilon for all n greater than m. Therefore, limit of the sequence 2n plus 3 divided by 3n plus 4 as n tends to infinity equals 2 by 3. Similar example, show that limit of 3n minus 4 divided by 4n plus 3 as n tends to infinity equals 3 by 4 by using definition of the limit of the sequence. Let epsilon greater than 0 be a given real number, however small. Consider modulus of 3n minus 4 divided by 4n plus 3 minus 3 by 4 less than epsilon. Here LCM is 4 into 4n plus 3. Cross multiplication, we have 3 into 4 12n minus 16 minus 3 into 4 12n minus plus minus 9. 12n minus 12n cancel, minus 16 minus 9 is minus 25 less than modulus of minus 25 divided by 4 into 4n plus 3 less than epsilon, or modulus, here we have modulus, so 25 by 4 into 4n plus 3 less than epsilon. 25 by epsilon comes to denominator, 4 epsilon less than 4n plus 3, or this quantity is larger than 25 by 4 epsilon. 4n greater than 25 by 4 epsilon minus, if it goes to LHS becomes negative, minus 3. 4n greater than 25, LCM 4 into 3, 12 epsilon by 4 epsilon. Divide by 4 on both sides. N greater than 25 minus 12 epsilon divided by 16 epsilon. Let m be the nearest positive integer smaller than this one. 25 minus 12 epsilon by 16 epsilon. Then limit of modulus 3n minus 4 divided by 4n plus 3 minus 3 by 4 less than epsilon for all n greater than m. Therefore, limit of the sequence 3n minus 4 divided by 4n plus 3 equals 3 by 4. Okay, next definition. A sequence un is said to tend to a limit, said to tend to plus infinity if to each positive number k, however small, there exists a positive integer n such that for n greater than or equals k, for all n greater than or equals k, we have limit of that type of sequence is infinity. Here the sequence un is said to tend to a infinity if for each positive integer, here each positive integer is however large, there exists a positive integer n such that limit of that sequence is infinity. One more definition, a sequence un is said to tend to minus infinity if to each positive integer m, however large, there exists a positive integer n such that un less than or equals minus m. Limit of the sequence un as n tends to infinity is minus infinity. Next, convergence of a sequence, divergence of a sequence, oscillatory sequences. Okay, definition, a sequence un is said to be convergent if the sequence un tends to a unique finite limit. If the sequence un approaches to the unique finite limit, then it is convergent sequence. That is, sequence un is convergent if there exists a real number L such that limit of that sequence equals L. Then this is called convergent sequence. Then we say that sequence un convergent to L. For example, sequence 1 by n converges to 0. As n tends to infinity, the value approaches to 0. That is, limit of 1 by n as n tends to infinity equals 1 by infinity, that is 0. Next example, sequence 3n plus 4 divided by 4n plus 5 converges to 3 by 4. Limit of 3n plus 4 divided by 4n plus 5 as n tends to infinity. Limit n tends to infinity, in the numerator take n common, we have n into 3 plus 4 by n. If n is common, multiply by 4 divided by n. Multiply this term 4 by n and divide by n. If you take n common from the numerator, we have 4 by n. Similarly, from the denominator take n common, we have 4 plus 5 by n. N cancel, as n tends to infinity, 4 by infinity is 0. 5 by infinity is 0, 3 plus 0 is 3, 4 plus 0 is 4. Second definition, a sequence un is said to be divergent if the sequence un tends to plus or minus infinity as n tends to infinity. Say the sequence un is said to be divergent sequence if the value is either plus infinity or minus infinity when n tends to infinity. For example, the sequence un equals n. This is a divergent sequence. The value of n is maybe this sequence equal 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on and so forth. This diverges to infinity. Since limit of sequence n as n tends to infinity equals infinity. Next, the sequence un equals minus n square divergent to minus infinity, because put the value for n equals 1, 2, 3, we get minus 1, minus 2 square, minus 3 square and so on and so forth. At the end we get the value of limit of sequence minus n square as n tends to infinity equals minus infinity. Next definition, a sequence un is said to be oscillatory if it is neither converges nor divergence. Okay, a sequence is said to be oscillatory sequence if it is neither converges nor divergence, that is sequence un is oscillatory. Limit of un as n tends to infinity not equal to a finite unit limit, finite unit quantity, or not equal to infinity, not equal to minus infinity. Here the sequence is neither convergent nor divergent, then it is called oscillatory sequence. For example, sequence minus 1 power n, put the value of n equals 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on and so forth. We get minus 1 or 1. Minus 1 when n is odd number. If n is 2, 4, 6, if n is even number, we get the value is 1. So this sequence is oscillatory sequence, oscillates finitely. One more example, set of minus 1 power n oscillates between minus infinity and plus infinity, because minus 1 power n into n, minus 1 power n into n, if you put n equals 1, minus 1 power 1 is minus 1 into 1, n is 2, n is 3, minus 1 cube is minus 3, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7 and so on. If n is even number, we get 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So the value is minus infinity if n is odd number, and the value is plus infinity if n is even number.